Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the part 2 of the crochet gown. I'll leave the link to the part 1 in the description box. Please kindly check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified each time I post new videos. Now let's begin. Now it's time to join this lower part with this upper part. This is the front side. Now I added colors to the front part because I simply love this design here. To attach, we are going to measure out 3 inches from each side. From here to here I have 3 inches. I'm going to add my stitch marker here for easy identification. Do the same for the other side. Remember, my yarn is a bit stretchy, so I have to stretch it in order to get the exact 3 inches. Approximately my 3 inches coincide with the beginning of this flower motif. That is here. In order to join, I'm making single crochet all around, joining it together with this. These 2 treble crochet, I'm making 2 single crochet here, while these 3 chain spaces, I'm making 3 into these spaces. I'm making 2 single crochet into all the chain spaces till I reach the end. So this is just what I'm going to do. Make my first single crochet and then join it together with this. This is the first, and we're going to continue this until we reach here. This is what the front looks like. You can attach your button now and wear it like this if you love an open back, but me, I'm going to cover the back. So let's go to the back now. We're going to make what I made here in this side. So to start, count 7 stitches from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the 7th one, I placed the stitch marker here. So we are making from here to here. Feel free to start either from here or here. I'm going to start from here. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. An extra for 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a total of 8 chain. Make a double treble, that is yarn over 3 times. Insert into the same space. Yarn over 3 times again. Skip 1, 2 into the 3rd stitch. Make a double treble. Chain 3. Double treble into the same stitch. So this is 5 loops. Yarn over, pull out 4 loops, yarn over, pull out 3, yarn over, pull 2, yarn over, pull 1, yarn over 3 times. Skip 1, 2 into the 3rd. Make a double treble. Chain 3. Yarn over 3 times. Make a double treble into the same stitch. We are going to be increasing only in this side. There is not going to be an increase here. Here we are just going to maintain a straight line, but here there's going to be an increase. So let's turn our work. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 3 times into the space. Make a double treble crochet. This is how it looks. Chain 1, 2, 3. Double treble into the same space. Yarn over 3 times to here. Chain 3. Yarn over 3 times to the same space. Yarn over 3 times into here. So because you're increasing here, we're going to chain 3. Then repeat the double treble crochet. This is it. We've successfully increased one. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now yarn over 3 times into the same stitch. Make a double treble crochet. So we finally succeeded in increasing. We're going to repeat this until we reach row 6. I'll meet you there. Yeah, this is what we have now. Here is straight and here is slanting. We are going to join from the middle. This is where it started. From the middle to where we have our stitch marker. We'll be using the single crochet that we used previously to join. This is the middle. I want you to come to me. I could be your love baby. Let me see your heart. You could be my love baby. Come to my heart. Come to me. I want you to come to me. Oh baby. Join until you reach it. When we reach it, I'll see you there. We just made the last joining, so trim off and then tuck in your excess yarn. Casual possibility. Completed this. It's time for us to add the button. I'll be using 0.75mm crochet to add it. It's just a simple step. You can use a needle for this. My needle is not nearby, so I'm just going to use this. Finally, tie and bind off. To make the buttonhole to this middle stitch, attach a fresh yarn. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Attach your 7 here. This is the lower part. I'm putting on a finishing touch here. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into this chain space. This is the lower side, remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into this chain space. So repeat it until you've gone all around. I'm done with the lower part.